Understanding loop control statements
and continue are essential tools in programming, allowing you to control the flow of loops. These statements can make your code more efficient and readable by enabling you to stop or skip iterations as needed. Knowing when and how to use them is key to mastering loops in most programming languages.
What does break do?
The break statement immediately ends the closest enclosing loop, whether it's a for, while, or do-while loop. Code after the loop continues running. Use break when you want to exit a loop early, such as stopping a search once a desired result is found.
How continue changes loop behavior.
A continue statement skips the rest of the current loop iteration and moves directly to the next one. Unlike break, it doesn't stop the entire loop. Use continue when you want to ignore specific cases but keep looping, like skipping even numbers in a sequence.
Break versus continue, a clear example.
Imagine a loop checking numbers from 1 to 5. If you use break when the number is 3, the loop stops at 3. If you use continue when the number is 3, the loop skips 3 but checks 4 and 5 as usual. Each serves a different purpose in control flow.
When to use break or continue?
Use when you want to leave a loop early, such as finding a match in a list. Use continue when you want to skip certain iterations but finish looping through the data. Understanding both helps you write clearer, more efficient code.